right, we're downtown here on Victoria Street and we are at the Commodore and we are doing our 4th sample of the Kamloops cocktail today. So pretty excited here. Just gonna go on in and check it out. So we are here with Dino, the owner of the Commodore here downtown. So Dino, what you making us today?
We are making a fresh Kamlito, we're calling it. It's Kamloops' own version of a Mojito. There you have a Kamlito. So what makes this drink refreshing is the Cointreau orange liqueur, the Mango Malibu rum, and what makes it unique to Kamloops is the fresh raspberries and fresh mint leaves that are grown here in Nona's garden.
Perfect. Can't wait to get in there and give it a taste.
Go on, Kendel.
We sell lots of those on the patio here.
That is amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Refreshing?
I can't get any more Kamloops than that.
Awesome. Good job, Dino.
Thank you.